Telegram allows you to change the interface theme to match your personal preferences. Whether you prefer a light appearance, a dark theme, or another available option, changing the theme only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the theme on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, look toward the top left corner of Telegram Web and click the Menu button, which is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main navigation menu where you can access your account settings and other options. From the menu, click Settings to open your Telegram preferences. Once you're in the Settings page, look for General Settings section. This is where Telegram lets you customize the way the interface looks.
Look for the dark theme, light theme, or system. Click it to switch from the default theme to the darker interface if you prefer. As soon as you select the theme, Telegram will immediately update the appearance of the entire interface. The background, chat windows, menus, and other elements will change to darker colors while keeping text clear and easy to read. Take a moment to look around the interface and make sure the new theme is applied. You'll notice that your chats, conversation list, and settings pages now use the theme you choose. If you'd like Telegram to automatically match your computer's light or dark appearance settings, choose System Theme option. This allows the interface to switch themes whenever your operating system changes between light and dark mode. If you ever decide that you want to return to the original appearance, simply go back to the same appearance or chat settings section and select the light theme. The interface will immediately switch back without affecting your chats, messages, or account settings. Changing the theme only affects how Telegram looks on the device and browser you're currently using. It won't change the appearance of Telegram on your other devices unless you update the theme there as well. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to change theme on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.